Ever wonder why some people build muscle twice as fast as everyone else? Spoiler, it's not just their genetics. It's because they've learned how to wake up their internal 3D printers deep inside your muscle tissue. Tucked between the fibers are dormant cells called satellite cells. Most of the time, they are completely inactive, like a sleeping construction crew. But when you lift with enough intensity to create microscopic tension, a biological alarm goes off. This alarm triggers a process called myogenic activation. These satellite cells don't just repair the muscle, they fuse to it. Think of them as raw building material your body uses to patch the tears. By joining the fiber, they donate their nuclei, the command centers that control growth. The more you train, the more of these printers you recruit. You are literally increasing your muscle's physical capacity to build itself. You aren't just training for size, you are building an elite repair crew that makes future growth faster and easier. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more.